It's collab time. These beautiful ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their YouTube link is in my description. Please click on it and go check out and see what pride eye look that they created. First, I'm applying LA Girl concealer to my eyelids and under my eyes. After applying the concealer to my eyes, I am using a Rare Beauty concealer brush to blend the concealer seamlessly and really smooth so my canvas is ready for the next step. Next, I take some setting powder to set the concealer. The same brush that I use to take the powder to set my concealer, I'm using that same brush to use the brown to put into my crease, and I am now blending it really nice because my canvas needs to be smooth for the eyeliners I am using. Brown, blue, pink, white, and black. Pride month is in June. I pick those colors for Pride Month because in 2017, the Philadelphia's People of Color Inclusive Flag, to give representation to Black and Brown people in the LGBTQ community and their experiences. Right now you're watching me use a blue eyeliner to put in the outer corner of my eyes. That's the first color of the new flag that was added. That blue is so pretty, but as you can see, I have mature eyes, so I have to kind of take my time and I'm concentrating because I'm really wanting this color to apply nicely. The pink, white, and blue is the transgender flag. This flag was created in 1999 by Monica Helms. This brown eyeliner will go in the outer corner of my eyes. As you can see, the brown blends right into my skin, but there is a brown. Keep looking. If you look closely, you'll see there is a brown. The black and brown was added in 2017 to represent people of color. Now it's time for the black in the inner section of my lower lash line. And those colors were chosen for that reason, to have people of color included in the LGBTQ community. I am now using a smudging brush to smudge the black eyeliner on the both eyes. I want it to be smooth. So like I say, each step has to be smooth so the next one can work well with it. So that is what I'm doing right now. After the black, I am now applying white eyeliner. The white eyeliner is going into the outer lower lash line. And after I apply that, I am using white eyeshadow over the white liner to make it show a little bit more. And that is what I'm doing with the Beauty Bay Brights palette. I have no pink liner. I have no eyeliner in pink. So I am using hot pink eyeshadow and I am putting it in the crease of my eyes. Gotta make things work. In 2018, Danielle Quasar created this flag. It is called the Progress Pride flag, and I will put a picture up so you can see. Remember to go check out all the other ladies that are into this collab, and we all created different pride eye looks, and you can check them out and leave them a comment. Let them know how they did, because we always try to create something different and beautiful. The headband that I have all the colors of the rainbow, so it represents the other flag of the LGBT community. The brown, and then the white, and then the blue, and then the black, and the last color is the pink. And also I added 2 pink and 1 purple gemstone in the inner corner of my eyes, just to do something different. Be different, be creative, do what makes you feel happy. I thank you all for watching, and just keep checking for other videos. Love you all. Be blessed. Be well. Bye.